Vicky is a girl with obesity. She likes to consume high-fat diet, such as junk food and fast food. She don't like to exercise. Besides, she hates eating fermentation products. She always being teased by others because of her weight and size. Therefore, she decided to keep fit. Vicky consults a doctor about the ways to lose weight. The doctor asks Vicky to change her lifestyle and diet. Vicky follows the doctor's advice. She starts to jog and eat healthy food such as fruits and vegetables. She also starts to eat fermentation products like yogurt. After a few weeks, Vicky's weight has back to normal range. She consults the doctor again about the reason of losing weight.
Lifestyle changes, including regular physical activity, healthy food choices, and portion control, must be adopted regardless of the weight loss approach. Gut microbiota is a potential nutritional and pharmacological target in the management of obesity. Two groups of beneficial bacteria are dominant in the human gut: the bacteroids and firmicutes. The relative proportion of bacteroids is decreased in obese people by comparison with lean people, and that this proportion increases with weight loss on two types of low-calorie diet. The coexistence of bacteroids and firmicutes in the gut imply minimized competition for resources through cooperation or specialization. The obese gut has as yet uncharacterized properties that tip the balance towards the firmicutes. Our findings indicate that manipulation of gut microbial communities could be another approach in the treatment of obesity. Bacteroids are increasingly regarded as specialized for the degradation of high molecular weight organic matter, for example, proteins and carbohydrates. Evidence is accumulating that the nature of diet shapes the composition of the intestinal microbiota. The consumption of increasingly hygienic and processed food deprives our microbiota from useful environment genes and possibly affect our health. High polyphenol, low probiotic diet for weight loss because of intestinal microbiota interaction. The relative proportion of bacteroids to firmicutes decreased in obese people. This imbalance in gut microbiota generates signals controlling the expression of genes by the epithelial intestinal cells. Both dairy and non-dairy probiotics increase body weight, reportedly through lactobacillus species growth in the gut. On the other hand, daily intake of some fruits and drinks, such as 3 apples or 3 pears or grapefruit or green tea, which are all rich in polyphenols, can significantly reduce body weight in obese people. And why vitral organ? Because the impact of the gut microbiota on the host has been shown to be as important as that of other organs. Most of the gut bacteria are obligate or facultative and anaerobes, which are previously difficult to cultivate. It is the recent development of metagenomics that has facilitated the study of these organisms and led to current explosion of research on gut bacteria.
Bacteroids is associated with animal proteins, amino acids, and saturated fats, component typical of a Western diet, that one endotype will dominate over the other depending on the diet. Those who eat plenty of protein and animal fats have
Bacterium animalis uses a fermentation process to convert carbohydrates into chemical compounds like lactic acid and hydrogen peroxide, enabling only probiotic dominance throughout the intestinal arena. By working together with other species of Bifidobacterium to produce a non-alkaline environment with low pH levels. Pathogenic bacteria typically survive best in alkaline. Those unable to survive in inhospitable acidic environment are unable to colonize, thereby preventing the negative effects that can occur.